Merry Christmas, CCU. I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman.
And I'm Reverend Don Barton, and we're here to invite you to our Christmas Eve candlelight service in our sanctuary or online, where we'll be coming together to get you into the Christmas spirit.
This is one of Unity's most wonderful traditional ceremonial services, where we come together, sing our uplifting favorite Christmas carols, and end our night together by lighting our candle, a symbol of our internal light, and take that out into the world right before Christmas Day. So we want to invite you one more time to come with us, to bring your friends, to bring your family, and celebrate the birth of the indwelling Christ at our candlelighting service on Christmas Eve. We hope to see you then.